and a perfect example of this is fruit, which is one of the most healthiest foods on the planet. It has the most electricity and it's going to give you the most energy. Now, there are people out there that do have fruit intolerances, and that is due to primarily to a sick liver. When our liver is stagnant and it's not working efficiently and effectively, then it becomes sick. When you have discomfort with fruit, it just shows that other things in the body needs to be addressed. Now, a lot of people do think when they eat certain types of fruits that it starts to have an effect, but fruits are super powerful enough to be able to move and push those toxins and unwanted bad bacteria back into the blood. And then when it's back into the blood to be cleansed out of the body, then you start to have these detox symptoms. And that is another reason why people think that they may be allergic to fruit, but that's not the case. So once you start eating healthy and once you are able to reset the body on a cellular level, like regenerate your cells, then you will begin to see that you are no longer allergic or have these food intolerances.